Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you the 5 best core exercises to help you strengthen your core and improve your overall health. Your core muscles are the foundation of your body, and they play a crucial role in your daily activities. So, let's get started with these exercises. The first exercise on our list is the plank. This exercise is great for targeting your abs, lower back, glutes, and shoulders. To do a plank, start by getting into a push-up position, but instead of lowering your body, hold your body straight, with your forearms on the ground. Keep your core tight and hold the position for 30 seconds to a minute. The next exercise we have is the Russian twist. This exercise is perfect for targeting your obliques. To do this exercise, sit on the ground with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground. Twist your torso to the left and then to the right while keeping your core engaged. Repeat this for 10 to 15 reps on each side. The third exercise is the bicycle crunch. This exercise is great for working out your abs and obliques. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Bring your right elbow to your left knee as you extend your right leg out. Then switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee as you extend your left leg out. Continue alternating sides for 10 to 15 reps. The fourth exercise we have is the side plank. This exercise is great for targeting your obliques, hips, and glutes. Start by lying on your side, then prop yourself up on your forearm, keeping your elbow directly under your shoulder. Lift your hips up so your body forms a straight line from head to toe. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute, then switch sides. The last exercise we have is the dead bug. This exercise is great for strengthening your abs, lower back, and hips. Start by lying on your back with your arms extended towards the ceiling and your legs bent at a 90-degree angle. Lower your right arm and left leg to the ground while keeping your lower back flat against the floor. Then switch sides, lowering your left arm and right leg. Continue alternating sides for 10 to 15 reps. That's it for our 5 best core exercises to strengthen your core and improve your overall health. Now you know the exercises that will help you achieve your fitness goals. Remember to incorporate them into your daily routine for the best results. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and exercises. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.